Can I call him?
Can you just call Nagaraj?
Yeah.
And Rahul, can you just call Srujan and find out?
I tried calling.
Uh-huh. Okay. Any idea if he's joining in?
I'm not sure, but I'll let you know. I think he'll call me back.
Okay, sure.
Is someone calling Nagaraju?
Yeah, Kranti is calling Nagaraj, I think.
Emmanuel?
Yeah.
It's going to voicemail.
Okay, cool. So all of you have organizer access. Try and record the session. Okay, there is a little situation here. Reason being, there might be a power cut, alright, at in 1 hour. So just in case that happens, I do not have a backup today. So we'll be continuing that session tomorrow. But tomorrow I'll be sitting at another place with a UPS on. Alright? Alright. Alright guys, so all of you can hear me clearly, I hope. So yesterday or day before, we were looking at trying to understand what were the different replication methods for moving data into the SAP HANA system. And we talked mainly about three major steps. One is the SLT, where you have the SAP's landscape transformation server for moving data from the source, usually SAP source, and having the SLT server in between, and then your database or your HANA database as your target system. And we've seen about how that architecture will work with the lower versions of SAP and also the higher versions of the SAP ECC system. Alright, so the advantage with using SLT is it's able to bring in data from versions from 4.6c onwards till the latest versions of ECC. Alright, the only constraint that you will have with the SLT is handling transformations. It is not too simple to handle transformations in the SLT system. You need to work on a lot of include programs to go and make the changes, but again, you can handle conversions, you can handle filtering, and you can also handle restrictions in the SLT transformation capabilities. Alright. The second thing that we saw is where we were using the SLT on the same system, but on a different instance. You are including or creating the SLT server. The basic reason why you do that is in case your system is on the same, the latest version of the service pack and also on the kernel. You can go ahead and have the SLT set up on the same system as well. If not, we will leverage the usage of the solution manager. The different instance will be used to create the SLT. Alright. So the third method that we looked at was the landscape transformation, the data services method of replication. And we tried to understand how the replication is handled as a bidirectional component here in the SAP Business Objects data services for replicating data from any of the tools into the SAP HANA database. But specifically talking about SAP